In this video, we would like to introduce tree testing using Optimal Workshop, a user experience research platform. We will give an overview of what tree testing is, steps of conducting tree testing, and a simple demonstration of using Optimal Workshop's test example. Let's start by discussing what tree testing is. Tree testing is a method to test an existing sitemap, whether it's an initial recommendation from Upanup or your current sitemap that you wish to assess. This process helps evaluate how easy it is to find key information on your website. Tree testing focuses solely on the usability of the menu and its labels, excluding secondary navigation tools such as quick links and inline linking. Tree testing offers several benefits to help refine your sitemap. The test helps validate user-focused decisions through valuable usability insights and helps optimize navigation for an improved user experience. Let's discuss tree testing steps. For a tree test in Optimal Workshop, we need two main elements: a tree or a sitemap ready to test, and the tasks or questions. Upanup will propose a set of questions, and based on your needs, questions could potentially include pre-study questions for background information such as demographic data. Study questions, or a series of tasks, will ask participants to pick a location or menu label where they think they would find the answer in the tree. Post-study questions could be used to gain participants' feedback after the test they completed. You will have the opportunity to review the questions and the test beforehand to provide any initial feedback. Upanup will then launch the test at an agreed-upon time frame. You can promote the test and recruit external participants through your channels, such as social media. For objective results, we recommend using external participants rather than internal staff. After the test has been launched for a certain period of time, Upanup will close the test and begin analyzing the results in Optimal Workshop. Based on the findings from tree testing, Upanup can then provide a recommended sitemap. Now, let's take a look at a couple of examples of tree testing questions. In this demo, we will be asked to complete navigation test for Banana.com, a fictional telecommunications provider. We will be asked to find a menu item among a list of links presented. We should click through the list until we find the one that helps us finish the task. If we make a mistake, we can use the links to go back and start over. Let's get started and hit continue. The first task: check to see if you can access mobile broadband from your house. I click Start Task to begin. I'm given a list of options to click through. Based on the broadband keyword, I would like to check out the Internet option. Under Internet, there are two options to choose, and I think 3G broadband matches what I was looking for. Under 3G broadband, there are two more options, and I think coverage map will give me the information I need. Since no other link is included under coverage map, a button shows up to indicate the task would end here. If I click, I would find it here. I'm confident of my choice, so I will click the button. Let's move on to the second task. You're about to move house and want to transfer your phone and internet to the new address. How would you do that? Again, I click Start Task. I have the list of options to choose. I would like to check the Internet option. I would like to select Home Internet Plans, DSL. Since that is the end of the path and I'm not quite sure if I can find the information in this location, I would click on the parent link to start over. This time, I would like to check out Help and Support. I now see the moving house option that matches what I was expecting. I'm happy with my choice this time, so I will click the button "I'd find it here" to end the task. After the test is closed, we can gain an overview of the study, including the number of participants, overall success rate, directness percentage, and average time taken. Relevant statistics can also be shown for each task, as well as an overview of all tasks and destinations. We can also review analysis, including task results with charts and statistics. We have the first click table, which will tell us if the first node the participants clicked was on the correct path to a destination. The paths table will show us how participants moved through your tree for each task. And the destinations table will show the popularity of the destinations your participants chose, divided into correct and incorrect destinations. With these insights and results, we can evaluate the usability of the sitemap and make recommendations accordingly. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.